Hello, this is Nikita Tamane and I'm a 12th standard science student. Well, I don't know where to start. This 1 year has definitely been one hell of a ride. And even in such a short span of time, I feel so connected to the place. And more importantly, the people. Coming in as a PD student and now staying as a 12th standard science student, somewhere in between, we became better versions of ourselves. PD has been the best time of my life, which I will cherish forever. Science classes, oh, what do I say? The professors make discovering things and learning so interesting that it keeps us engaged till the very end. Every day at programmatics is just so distinct from the other. We learn so many new things. We meet a group of distinctly talented people, and it's been just a beautiful experience. And now I can proudly say that choosing programmatics has been the best decisions I've ever made.
Hi. If you were to ask me some of the best days that I have lived in my life, I would look back to the time when I was doing my diploma. I chose to do diploma after attending one of the PD sessions at Programmatics. And since that day, the journey has been quite amazing. You know, there is a point in everyone's life, the point where we look back to, the point where we just stop and say that we are glad that it happened. Because if it wouldn't have happened, this right now, it couldn't have happened. For me, that one point, that moment of happiness was entering into that classes for the first time. And ever since that point, I have met some amazing, extraordinary teachers over there, and the staff, which has always been there for me whenever I needed them. After going over there, engineering became fun for me. You know, it wasn't just studying and completing assignment, it was actually understanding the logic behind what we are doing and why we are doing. That was the most important thing. And that was a part of me where I felt that, yeah, I am actually studying something. It felt like that. You know, it wasn't just engineering, it was other things as well, that is the other activities that they had and they conduct all these years. It is like managing an event or hosting a particular event, or doing social works, going to anath ashrams, vridashrams, donation camp, and so many things that they have done all these years. And all these things, whatever I'm saying, I just want to share all this experience with you, with whoever is listening to me. And that is only because that being there, I have found some abilities in me that I did not know existed. So, and I will always be grateful for those things, and I'll always be grateful to programmatics for that. And lastly, I would just like to end this thing in Gujarati, as being a Gujarati host in many of the events. I would just like to say કે કેવું છે ને સાહેબ, કે ત્યાંની બેન્ચીસ પર બેસીને સ્ટડી કરવામાં જે મજા છે, કે ત્યાંના ઇવેન્ટ્સ અટેન્ડ કરીને હસવામાં જે મજા છે, અને ત્યાંના ગુરુઓ તમને કઈ રીતે એક મિત્ર તરીકે રાખે, એનો આનંદ લેવામાં જે મજા છે ને, એ મજા કદાચ જ તમને બીજે કશે મળશે. હવે રજા લઈશ. કોઈ ગુજરાતી ટ્રાન્સલેટર હોય તો સમજી લેજો.
Hey guys, my name is Vishruth Choksi. I'm a part of SPIT College, Sardar Patel Institute of Technology, and I completed my 11th-12th from Programmatics Institute. I can safely say that this institute will take you to a next level, both spiritually and academically, and also morally. Here you will not miss out on anything. Even if you just focus on studies, there is always something that will keep you socially active besides. And also the faculty, you will cherish your experience with them. The study patterns which they give you will help you till the last moment possible, and also which also has helped me to gain such an achievement to ever participate in these competitive exams and score at least one of the best marks possible which I could ever get, to get into a college in Mumbai is one of the topmost college, Sardar Patel Institute of Technology. So I will always give positive regards about this institute and never forget about it. Thank you.